making like Paul Bunyan, making rid of this old good tree. Here it comes. Yay, David! Good morning.